The tussle between Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has taken a fresh twist, with a senior Delhi bureaucrat being locked out of his office this morning. Now, the office of Anindo Majumdar, who was removed as Principal Secretary by Mr. Kejriwal, this after he had confirmed the appointment of IS officer Shakuntala Gamlan as Acting Chief Secretary. Today morning, he found himself locked out of his office. The Delhi government and LG have been locked in a tussle over the appointment of Acting Chief Secretary Shakuntala Gamlan, with Kejriwal now seeking a meeting with the President over this entire issue. The President is in Uttarakhand, and the earliest he'll be able to meet Arvind Kejriwal is on Wednesday.
मैं मात्र इतना कहूंगा क्योंकि डीओपीटी विभाग के साथ संबंधित होने के नाते कि हमारी ओर से जितनी भी नियुक्तियां होती हैं पूरी पारदर्शिता के साथ होती है, कि प्रक्रिया एक मैकेनिज्म प्रोसीजर के अंतर्गत होती है, और इस पर कि इस प्रकार की टिप्पणी करना कि आलोचना करना कि किसी प्रकार की नियुक्ति में कोई और उद्देश्य रहा हो, वो न्याय नहीं है। और डीओपीटी की पारदर्शिता, उसके कामकाज की सराहना देश के प्रत्येक राज्य सरकार ने की है।
आपकी jung has escalated to yet another shameful level, really, where between the crossfire of the Chief Minister and the LG Najib Jung, the bureaucrats are really being caught in this crossfire. Now, we know at this point that just on Saturday, when the CM office had come out with a circular saying that both the appointment of the removal of Majumdar and the appointment of Rajender, both are to be done. There was a circular which came out with it. Immediately after that, the LG office had come out with a press release saying that since his office has not been consulted in this matter, he has called both the removal and the appointment of the new officer null and void. Now, this we had been asking the Delhi the Delhi government sources since morning, and they continued to say that they haven't received any such letter, and also they said that even if they do, it is not the prerogative of the Lieutenant Governor to decide upon interdepartmental transfers. They said very clearly that it is the prerogative of the Delhi government, the Delhi cabinet, and most of the Delhi Chief Minister to decide which officer to place where. But now, minutes back, we have had Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister, tweet out that he has indeed received a copy of the letter from the LG's office. So shameful, really, in the manner in which the entire thing has been going on Twitter, on Facebook, something which should have been, should have been talked out between the CM and the LG, being played out in the public domain, and the bureaucrats really being caught in crossfire. Also, what we know, Amitabh, is that this morning, how did this entire thing come to the fore? Abhijit Majumdar, following what he had heard in the media about Najib Jung calling his transfer and removal as null and void, came back to resume office, only to find his office on the 7th floor of this building behind me, which is the Delhi Secretariat, to be locked, saying, and he was told that no, your duties are no longer required in this department. But clearly, the Lieutenant Governor has now come out in his defense. But like I said, the bureaucrats also, we've been talking to one of them, Amitabh, in the corridors here in the Delhi Secretariat, and they're quite ashamed. They don't really know at this point whom to follow. Should they go by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, or should they listen to the CM? They report to both. So clearly, it's a shameful situation for both the bureaucrats and also for the Delhi for the people of Delhi who voted this government in Papa, wondering what work is really going on.
You can see Delhi's Chief Secretary Shakuntala Gamlan at the Home Ministry. The Arvind Kejriwal government doesn't want her, and ever since then the war is just getting worse, with a lot of back and forth that we are seeing even today. But it was a day at work for her. She was at the... Let's go across to Shruti Ranjan Sen, who joins us on the phone line. Shruti, this is the raging story that we are actually tracking, the back and forth that we're seeing between the Lieutenant Governor's office and Delhi Chief Minister's office. But it's a normal day at work for Delhi's Chief Secretary, Acting Chief Secretary.
Yes, I mean, it's a normal day of work for the Acting Chief Secretary of Delhi. In fact, she just met the Union Home Secretary, Mr. L.C. Goel, and what we get to know and what she told us after the meeting was it was a routine promotional meeting to discuss promotion of officers that was going on. So while the storm rages on at the political level, work more or less is going on normally. Also, it is a clear indication that the government of India believes or is giving the due weightage that it should give to a chief secretary, and it is not being deterred by the allegations or the counter allegations or the accusations that have been leveled by the Chief Minister.
नहीं, ये देखिए, जिस तरह का एक गतिरोध लगातार केजरीवाल के डिक्टेटोरियल व्यवहार के कारण से चल रहा है, उसके कारण से वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्राइसिस की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं। अदर देन डूइंग गवर्नेंस, वो सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। उनको जो सर्टेन डूज एंड डोंट्स हैं, संविधान की जो मर्यादाएं हैं, संविधान की जो व्यवस्थाएं हैं, संविधान के जो ले डाउन प्रोसीजर्स हैं, उन प्रोसीजर्स को उनको फॉलो करना चाहिए। और वो उन प्रोसीजर्स को फॉलो करते नहीं। डेमोक्रेसी में उनका विश्वास नहीं है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लगता है, जिस प्रकार का उनका व्यवहार है, उनके व्यवहार से तो लगता है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी उनका कोई विश्वास नहीं है। जिस तरह की मर्यादाएं और परंपराएं राजनीतिक दलों की और प्रशासन की हैं, उसमें भी उनका कोई व्यवहार नहीं है। तो इसलिए ये जिस तरह का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, वो किसी ना किसी डिज़ाइन के तहत कर रहे हैं। वो किसी ऑडियंस को एड्रेस करना चाहते हैं। वो कैलकुलेशन के साथ ये सारे काम करते हैं। तमाम डिमोरलाइजेशन ऑफ जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी का वो कर रहे हैं, वो दिल्ली की जनता के लिए ठीक नहीं है। दिल्ली की जनता को गुड गवर्नेंस चाहिए। गवर्नेंस तो कहीं है ही नहीं। लगातार पहले 2 महीने अपने पार्टी की लड़ाई उनकी चलती रही, उसमें वो करते रहे, और अब वो ये क्राइसिस की ओर हैं। तो इसलिए जो भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल व्यवस्थाएं हैं, उनको लागू करने के लिए जिस चीज़ की भी ज़रूरत है, उसको निश्चित रूप से लागू करना चाहिए। अगर लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर मुखिया हैं, वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, उनको अपना काम करने देना चाहिए। मुख्यमंत्री अपना काम कर रहे हैं, वो अपना काम करें। लेकिन लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर का रोल मुख्यमंत्री तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, और मुख्यमंत्री का रोल लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर नहीं कर सकते। इसलिए उनकी जो आदत है राइटिस्ट अप्रोच की, वो अप्रोच उनको छोड़नी चाहिए।